Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear educarians. Hope you all are fine and well by the grace of Allah Almighty. Welcome to computer class. As you know, this is the final term lesson number 3. So our topic is computer virus. Before starting our lesson, the material required are lead pencil, eraser, highlighter, blue marker, blue pen, ruler, computer textbook, computer notebook, along with your winter pack that has been provided the educators. So the lesson number 3 is about unit number 9, computer virus. Contents of this lesson are review of unit number 9, reading of winter pack page number 16, worksheet of unit number 9. Inshallah, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to learn review of unit number 9, reading of winter pack page number 16, worksheet of unit number 9 from winter pack page number 18. Dear students, open the page number 85 of your computer textbook. Now we are going to read about review of unit number 9. So what is computer virus? A computer virus is a computer software program that can copy itself, attach itself to other applications or files and infect a computer. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कंप्यूटर वायरस ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स हैं जो खुद ब खुद कॉपी हो जाते हैं और खुद ब खुद अटैच हो जाते हैं और आपकी फाइल्स को इन्फेक्ट कर देते हैं. नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू रीड व्हेन वायरसेस बिकम एक्टिव. सो वायरसेस बिकम एक्टिव व्हेन यू स्टार्ट एन इन्फेक्टेड एप्लीकेशन or start the computer from the disk that contain virus. So once the virus is the computer's memory, it usually affects any application you run. A virus cannot infect a computer hardware. Virus जो है आपके computer hardware को infect नहीं कर सकते. It can only infect computer software. It can infect the executable programs file like Microsoft Word, operating system and programs. What is antivirus? Antivirus softwares are application softwares that can detect and remove the viruses from the system. Now all of you open your winter pack page number 16. We are going to read question answers of unit number 9. So question number 1 is what a virus cannot do. A computer virus cannot perform the following actions. Number 1 is it cannot infect files which are written on protected disk like CD-ROM. ये ऐसी फाइल्स को इन्फेक्ट नहीं करते जो CD-ROM में राइट होती हैं. एंड सेकेंड वन इज दैट इट कैन नॉट इन्फेक्ट कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर. ये कंप्यूटर के हार्डवेयर को अटैक नहीं करते, इन्फेक्ट नहीं करते, लाइक कीबोर्ड, माउस, मॉनिटर, इन्हें इन्फेक्ट नहीं करते. इट कैन ऑनली इन्फेक्ट कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर. ये सिर्फ कंप्यूटर के सॉफ्टवेयर को इन्फेक्ट करते हैं लाइक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड, etc. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, राइट द नेम ऑफ टाइप ऑफ कंप्यूटर वायरसेस. सम टाइप ऑफ कंप्यूटर वायरसेस आर resident virus, direct action virus, override virus, boot virus, directory virus. So question number 3, write some sign of viruses. Sign of viruses are, first one is the computer begins to operate slower than normal. computer जो है वो slower working हो जाती है इसकी normal functioning से. So the computer restart often on its own. computer खुद ब खुद restart हो जाता है. Number 3, strange error message might show up on the screen. स्क्रीन पे एरर मैसेजेस अपीयर होना शुरू हो जाते हैं जो आपने कभी भी नहीं देखे होते. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, व्हाट अ ट्रोजन हॉर्स वायरस कैन डू. सो अ ट्रोजन हॉर्स इज अ कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम दैट ट्रिक्स द यूजर बाय एक्टिंग एज एन ओरिजिनल फाइल. ये इस तरह वर्क करती हैं जैसे एक कंप्यूटर की ओरिजिनल फाइल होती है. व्हेन द यूजर ओपन द फाइल द वायरस स्टार्ट द प्रोग्राम ऑटोमेटिकली. जब कोई यूजर इन्हें स्टार्ट करता है तो वायरस इसमें ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं and begins to infect the system और या फिर सिस्टम को इन्फेक्ट करना शुरू कर देते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, what a override virus can do. So these viruses damage or remove the data present on those documents that they infect and thus making them useless at last. ये तब तक इन्फेक्ट कर देते हैं आपकी कंप्यूटर फाइल्स को जब तक वो बिल्कुल यूजलेस हो जाए, एट लास्ट तक बिल्कुल खत्म हो जाए और वो यूज करने के बिल्कुल भी काबिल ना रहे. Now get ready yourself to make our title page of unit number 9, computer viruses. So all of you have to prepare your notebook pages. Don't forget to write today's task, day and date on the top of the page. So all of you have to rewrite the topic of chapter number 9, computer virus, from your winter pack page number 16. Question number 1, what a virus cannot do. So answer you will rewrite from the winter pack page number 16. Question number 2, write the name of types of computer viruses. Question number 3, write some sign of viruses. Answer you will rewrite from Winterpack, page number 16. Question number 4, what a Trojan horse virus can do. So answer, a Trojan horse is a computer program that tricks the user by acting as an original file. When the user opens the file, the virus starts the program automatically and begins to infect the system. So dear students, you have to rewrite the question number 5 and answer of question number 5 from the Winterpack, page number 16. So dear students, as we have completed our unit number 9, now it's time to complete worksheet. So all of you open your Winterpack, page number 18. First of all, write down your name, section, today's date. So let's start. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. A computer virus is a program or set of dash designed specially to affect normal functioning. So computer virus एक प्रोग्राम और सेट ऑफ क्या है, प्रोग्राम्स है जो कि डिजाइन की जाता है स्पेशली नॉर्मल फंक्शनिंग को क्या करने के लिए, डिस्टर्ब करने के लिए. It can copy itself, attach itself to other dash or files and infect computer. Other applications or files infect a computer. So most dash stay active. कौन हमेशा एक्टिव रहते हैं in the computer memory until the turn of the computer. Even हम computers को close भी कर दें, off भी कर दें, तो कौन एक्टिव रहते हैं, viruses. It cannot infect files which are written on protected disk like CD-ROM. Antivirus softwares are dash softwares that detect and remove the viruses from computer. So antiviruses are application softwares that are used to detect and remove the virus. जो कि viruses को बिल्कुल खत्म करने के लिए use की जाते हैं. So these are application softwares. Question number 2, choose the best answer. Once the virus in computer memory, it usually affects any application you want execute. Trojan horse is a computer program tricks the user by acting as an which one file? Original file. So Trojan horse, logic bombs, these viruses do not replicate themselves and are designed to perform what? Designed to perform what? Yes, targeted activities. Dash antivirus is well known for its detection rate. So कौन सा ऐसा एंटीवायरस है जो कि अपने डिटेक्शन रेट से वेल नोन है? Who is Kaspersky. Dash is designed to change the location the infected files. Who is designed to change the location of infected files? Yes, it's directory viruses. Next, question number 3. Encircle T for true and F for false statement. Virus can only infect computer hardware. Dear students, हमने तो ये पढ़ा था कि viruses किसे infect करते हैं? Softwares को. So this is false. The Trojan horse will not replicate like a virus programs. क्या ये replicate नहीं होते? Yes, it's true. Allow only authorized user to use your system. It's true. The virus is spread from one computer to another computer. It's true. Virus हमेशा एक कंप्यूटर से दूसरे कंप्यूटर में फैलता है. AWAM is big software program. So big software program है? No, it's small software program. So it's false. Now it's time for task to do. Learn and write question answers on notebook from Winterpack, page number 16. And then do worksheet of unit number 9 from Winterpack, page number 18. So dear students, I hope today's lesson was helpful for you to have understand each and every point. So I will see you in my next lesson. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.